Hello everyone, welcome back at way2testing.com and my name is Chandan. In this video, we will cover the another intro portion of the Java. So it is the intro portion series. In the previous videos, we have covered that how to sort the array, then how to remove the duplicate elements from the array. Now this is the third video of the Java intro portion where we will cover that how to reverse the string. So first of all, this is my website way2testing.com. Here you will get all kind of study material like Java, Selenium, Maven, APM. All the things are available over here. Now second, it is my YouTube channel, software testing tutorial way2testing. Here you will get all the things, all the study material in form of the videos. Okay, so let me, as I told you the last time, before starting the code, you should know the logic. You should develop the logic that, for example, if somebody is saying that reverse the string, so what will happen? The thing is this one, that suppose that there is a string like my name Chandan, so how it can be reversed manually. So you should develop the logic like this one, uh, that I will pick the last character means n, I will put it here, then I will pick the second last character, then third. So in this way you have to develop the logic first, then we will write the code. So reverse string will be like this one. Okay, means we have to run a for loop which will pick a last letter or character of the word and then he will add and so on in this way. So this is the basic logic of converting the n word to the in the reverse order. So let me write the code for this one. So before writing the code you should develop the logic and then you can write the code. So I have created already a class. It is a test2 class and I have already created a main method. Inside this I will write the code. So we will use the scanner class so that we will take the input from the user. So I will say that scanner san is equal to new scanner, and we are taking the input from the user, so we will say it as system.in. Okay, now I will print a statement. This out control space that enter the string. Now I will store the string in a variable. So means our user input I will store in a variable like, or you can say test string. Okay, and I will say that scn dot, and we will use simple next to store the string. We are not using any pattern. This one. Now what we will do? We will just reverse the string. So as I told you that we need to run a for loop to reverse the string, and then we will say that int I is equal to length of the string. So I will say that I will get the length of that string dot length. There is a method in the string length and I will use -1 because indexing will start from the 0 in Java. So I will say that I is less than equal to 0, then I will say that I minus minus. Okay. And also I will create a blank string as well. So I will give it name as a string result equal to blank string. Okay. Now in the result string I will store all the characters in the reverse order. So store the character, we have a method in the string, it's known as char add, this one. Okay, so I will use this method to store the character in the reverse order. Okay, so first of what will happen, first the loop will start and he will just pick the n character and he will put it here like this one, like it will put here. Then in the next string what it will do, it will take the a, then it will put it here. Then third, your string blank string will be replaced with this character and then it will put d over here. Then your blank string has been replaced with the this one. Now in the blank string the fourth character will be added. Okay, so in this way we will move ahead. Okay, so let me run this one and let me print this one, and I will say it as a or string. Now let me run this one, so you can see that. Okay, now I need to enter the string. So I will enter my name. Sorry, sir, loop is in a reverse order. It should be greater than 0 because we are using this one. Okay, so you can see that all the string has been reversed. Okay, now there will be one more question in the interview, that how to check that string is palindrome or not. So what do you mean by the palindrome string? Palindrome means if string from the front and reverse is same. For example, that if there is a string like a refer, suppose that there is a word like refer, if you will reverse this word, so it will again become the refer. Okay, and also there is also some more word like this one jahaj, and if we reverse this one, so it will become the same string. So this kind of strings or words are known as the palindrome. So how to check this one? So I will let you know there is two logic to check whether string is palindrome or not. First is this one, that the most of the palindrome words should be odd number. It means length will be odd. Length of string will be odd. Okay. That means you need to take only half character of the string and you need to match from the first half character. Like this is the word refer, so I will take only the half character, less than half character re, and I will match with the last re. So if they are same, that means string is palindrome. Second is this one that we have just did, that we will just reverse complete string, and if reverse string and main string are same, that means string is palindrome. So I will add one more step, that from here, like if means your reversed string. Let me say it as a reverse string. Reverse string. If your reverse string is same as a, okay, so your string is palindrome. So what we will do, if your text string dot equal and ignore case your reverse string, that means string is palindrome. We will say that this out, control space, string is palindrome. Else out, control space, string is not palindrome. String is not palindrome. Now let me run this one. Enter the string. Okay, suppose that I am entering the word like refer. Okay, so yes, refer is a palindrome string. Again, let me run this one with the second word, Java application, and I will say it as a, suppose that TESET, set, for example. This way, if I'll run this one, it is a palindrome string. Okay, it is a palindrome string. So this is a simple way that you can just reverse the string and you can validate whether the reverse string and the input string are same. That means they are palindrome. So you have covered two interview question here, whether string is palindrome or not. So in the next video, we will cover much more interview question. So please be connected. So thank you for watching.